This is my first installment of winter bloomers. And you go, what? Winter bloomers? Yeah. These are my 4 plants that bloom in the winter. Now, if you live in Minnesota, where right now outside it's 9 degrees, if these plants were outside, they'd be dead. But they are part of my group of plants that I keep inside in a room I call my library. I'm in that right now. You can see my books right there. But these are plants that I thought I'd share with you. The first one is this one over here. This is your basic Christmas cactus. Everybody knows about the Christmas cactus. This particular plant, I have 2 of these. These particular plants came from my grandmother, who started the Christmas cactus plant way back in the early 1900s. And it has the most magnificent little pink flowers down there. Now, the one next to it, this one, it's also a Christmas cactus of sorts, or just a different variety from the one with the pink flowers. It bloomed during Thanksgiving. The little flower buds here are left over, and I don't know if they're going to grow into flowers or not, but the flowers are identical to the pink ones on the other variety, except they're more of a vanilla color. So I thought, well, that's pretty cool. I got this plant from a buddy of mine, Navy buddy of mine, Todd. He lives in Alt, Colorado. I got this, it was just a cutting about 1.5 years ago. Another plant over here that I find fascinating. This is called the crown of thorns. I don't know what the technical name for it is. But this plant, I also got this plant from Todd, who lives in Alt, Colorado, with his wife Terry. And this plant is one of the most incredibly passive, aggressive plants I think I've ever seen. It's similar to a rose bush in that it has thorns all along the entire stalk, yet it has these beautiful little flowers that say, "Come here and look at me." But the thorns say, "Don't you dare touch me." So that's why I call it a passive-aggressive plant. And the only name I do know for it is crown of thorns. That's all I have. Now this one, with the stalk here, and the big green leaves down on the side, this is called a Velthemia. This plant is starting to flower. You can see right up here the little pink flowers. Each one of these buds up here will turn into a little pink flower. It's like a tube. And I have seen them actually pollinate each other because I have 2 of these. They'll pollinate each other, and each one of these little pink tubes will give me 1 seed. 1 seed and 1 seed only. I thought, well, okay, very territorial and possessive. But there we have them. This is my Velthemia, crown of thorns. It's just another Christmas cactus with yellow flowers. And Christmas cactus. That's why I call them my winter bloomers. There you have it.